Hi everyone, Tasha here for Kat Scrappiness, and today I'm introducing the new Buffalo Plaid Backdrop Die. This die is a solid one-piece die that actually cuts out these little check detail and design. You see how it has some solid squares and some squares with a striped pattern? Let me show you with white behind it so you can kind of see. So when you cut this out of paper, you can cut 2 times and then add the little squares to have a multicolored plaid design, or you can cut it out and put a solid color paper behind it to get this buffalo check look. And here's how it looks cut out with white against the background. And you see all those little details in the square? So this is just really fun. You can mix and match with holiday colors or any other colors to make a plaid look. I'm going to show you one of my example cards using the fun buffalo check background die. And here's a holiday card I created. I cut black paper, so the black was the top layer, and added red cardstock behind it that gave this really cool plaid look. And it's so easy to do because this one die cuts out all of those little details and the extra squares. I hope you enjoyed a peek at the new Buffalo Plaid Backdrop Die from Kat Scrappiness. I'll have a link to the new die in the description box below, along with the other items used in the sample card. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.